On today's video, we're knocking out the mac and cheese smash burger. Hey, if you love to grill and barbecue, then this is the channel for you. Come on in, come on in. Touch that subscribe button and touch that bell. And hey, you're part of the family now. Oh, give you a hug. All right, on today's video, we're doing something I've never done before. Have you? You ever had this burger?
Heck no.
I heard of this burger, and I've had a couple comments for it. It's called the mac and cheese burger. Cook a burger and then, you know, mac and cheese, then put it on there and cheese it all up and all that goodness. It sounds great, Wes. It sounds great.
In theory.
But I'm probably the worst burger cook in America. This is my second time to cook a burger, ever. It's today, right now. And I figured, hey man, let's just jump right in and try it. So hey, without further ado, come on in, sit down, relax, get your popcorn, nice cold beer. Let's start making mac and cheese burgers. This was a fun one. The one thing that you need to know in here, I got a big old stainless steel salad bowl or whatever. And in this bottle, I just have a little bit of water. So when I'm steaming, I just shoot a little water in there, put that lid on there, and bam! Get that crazy cheese melt like that. And it also helps with heating up the mac and cheese that, hey, I want to give a big old shout out to Jamie! Jamie, thank you for your homemade mac and cheese leftovers that nobody ate. That's my wife, by the way. All right, so without further ado, let's just jump right on in this sucker. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that goodness. I wasn't sure about the mustard and pickles, but I was like, hey, man, we're going to try it. You see that, Wes?
Yeah.
Ooh. All right, let's try the mac and cheese smash burger. That is a little messy, man. It's coming apart. Believe it or not, it's really good. It tastes like homemade hamburger helper. I mean, that's exactly what it tastes like. I'm not mad at it. I don't hate it. Hey, so leave me a comment down below. Is this a burger that you would be even willing to try? Or have you tried it? Well, hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. And as always, man, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. And I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. Dude, I'm not mad at it. It's not that bad.
You gonna mess up, eat the whole thing?
No, I'm gonna take one more bite and